Hello parents, I'm Mr. Denver and I made this video to help you to teach your son on how to properly pronounce the sounds of the letters. Now let us begin with short O. Short O is pronounced as O. Again, O. So here are the list of words that has short O on it. I will be reading them one by one, and feel free to pause the video so you can say it as well and play it again for the next word. Let's begin. Box, fox, ox, dog, fog, jog, lock, sock, rock, pot, lot, hot, cop, rob, mop. Alright, those are the words that has short O on it. Now you can rewind this video and pause it again in each word so you can say it or you can teach it to your son. Thank you, that's all for now.